Alright you guys, I'm Demon of the Soul here, going to show you 7 useful built-in applications that come pre-installed on Windows 7. Now from this list we will be going left to right as to starting with Sound Recorder and ending with Windows Live Movie Maker. These are in no particular order per se, just as I just access them and pin them to my taskbar. Now first going to start off with Sound Recorder. It's pretty simple to use actually. You click start recording and it records audio for you. This green bar will go up and down, but it stopped working. That's embarrassing. Alright, so let's try this again. So basically this green bar right here is your volume meter. It will tell you how high you're recording and you just press record and it records for you. Pretty simple if you want to record something on the go and don't have an external third-party application. This is pretty useful if you don't have Audacity or Adobe Encoder. You can save the audio files if you want. They come out pretty clear and they come out in MP3 audio. So you can put them to your iPod or whatever else except MP3. Now next up on our list is Microsoft Paint. This is a pretty simple application. You got your shapes over here, your color palette, your edit colors, your size for your brush, color 1, color 2, a couple tools, images, and your clipboard. You got your views over here. These are pretty simple just to pass time by if you just like waiting for something to happen, like a show to come out in like half an hour or so, or you want to create some cool effects, but you just don't have the money to spend on a high-grade software. This is pretty useful for that, because you can make some really cool looking things in here without putting any effort in it at all. Just fill in the shapes and squares. It's fairly simple to use, and you can even do cool things like this. Let's just open up a new project real quick. It's even good for adding captions to photos, like so. All you do is stretch out the picture real quick, take the speech bubble, put something in it, and grab the text tool, and just type something like, I am winging this tutorial as I go along, which I practically am. I have no written script. So it's pretty simple like that. You just click away from that. You get this really cool looking effect with little to no problems at all. Now, next up on our list is the snippet tool, or the snipping tool by Microsoft. This is a pretty useful, underestimated application in my case, when you just want to quickly take a picture of the screen, and then you bring up this, or more or less it brings up this. It takes a picture of your screen with the photos in it. Now you got some basic simple tools over here. You got pens in 2 different colors, or 3 actually. You can get a custom pen, you can customize it. But you got this cool little highlight feature. So say you got a list like this and you want to highlight just certain things in it, you just quickly highlight them. It makes it stand out more. And you got an erase tool to erase the highlights. So you'd only want like one of them. The basic pen tool comes in basic colors, red, blue, and black. Custom pens for custom things. Now you can email it to a recipient or email it as an attachment. You could also copy it, save snippet, or have a new one. Same things that are available here are available up here, just not with pictures. Now, next tool or application on our list is the I forgot what this is called. Accessories. Sticky notes, of course. These are pretty simple for quick notes you just wanna remind yourself of. Now let's say one note you got pie, anime, games, music, and video editing. You have all of these listed here, but they're all the same color. But with this application, what you can do is right click it and change the colors to whatever you want. So you can have each individual color mean something else. Like for instance, you can have the blue mean the certain types of food you want to try to eat. The green mean the shows you want to watch. Purple mean all the games you would want to play. Or actually that's pink. This purple meaning all the music you want to listen to, and the white for all the really important things that must be done as soon as you're done doing what you're doing. Like in my case, video editing. Now you can delete each note and you get this little message. Now you can uncheck or check it in this case, the do not display this message. Again, checkbox, so it will never display this again, but I'm just going to keep that there because I tend to make mistakes. Another tool on our list is the calculator. Pretty simple, nothing too advanced about it. You go to views, you got your basic standard, scientific, programmer, and statistics. You also got the digital grouping, then from here you get basics, so it just looks like a basic calculator. You get unit conversions, data calculations, worksheets, you get mortgage, I think I said that, no, mortgage, vehicle leases, economy, fuel economy, and 2 different types. You get to edit, you get data sheet things again, you get help, and you get the about calculator. Nothing too advanced as long as you're using it for basic things like regular 5 plus 8, which equals 13. Alright, the next application on our list is the Notepad. Now, this is very, very simple and easy to use, nothing too advanced about it. You got your basic file options, your edit options, format, you get word wrap and font, you get a status bar to show at the bottom, and then you get the basic help that comes with a lot of applications. Now you can just quickly type things here and not have to worry about it. You can highlight everything, go to font, change it to like 18, change it to oblique and Microsoft Sans Serif, and everything changes. Now, just as quickly as you did that, you just exit out. These are very good for saving quick little notes that you want to bring with you and not just leave on your desktop like you do sticky notes. Last one on our list is Windows Live Movie Maker. This is a very underestimated program, believe it or not, because it's really powerful. Not as powerful as, say, Adobe or something, but it's doable. Now you can add videos by hitting the Add Videos and Photos, add quick little effects to them, and things of that nature. Let me just undo that. You can upload them to SkyDrive, Facebook, YouTube, Windows Live Groups, Flickr, and even add more plugins. You can sign into your Live or Hotmail account, and do a whole bunch of other things. Now, quickly to show you what you could do if you add music here, you get this. You get both the music and the audio of the video playing. But if you go up to Video Tools, Edit, Video Volume, and quickly mute that, you just get the audio to the song. Then you can go to Audio Options, Music Volume, and just lower and higher that depending on how you're doing this. Now, I am using Windows Live Movie Maker to edit this video so you can see the kind of things you can do with it. Now, that is my 7 useful built-in applications that come pre-installed on all Windows 7 operating systems. Now, to access these, you can go to your Start or All Programs, Accessories, and then choose from here. As you can see, you got the sticky notes, sound recorder, snipping tool, paint, Notepad, and Windows Live Movie Maker will be above the accessories folder. Basically up here in your, well, what I like to call the quick application selection thingy. Just allows you to quickly access most used applications on your computer. Now, another quick one I will add real quick that I missed for some reason is Windows Live Photo Gallery. It's pretty simple, more or less. You can access all your photos, scroll through them all, It's nothing really too advanced. I will not go into details, as you can just do more than just check out photos. Yeah. So, thank you for watching this, and I hope you have a great time using these applications. Thank you, and goodbye.